Fenty. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is your girl Latisha, and today we're going to be doing our very first, well, on this channel, my first impressions. And the first impressions is coming from Rihanna's Fenty Skin line. Now, it's a 3-step system used to cleanse your skin, refining your pores, and also you have a moisturizer that's also a sunscreen. So we're gonna try this out, you guys, and we're gonna see what are the first impressions. Been seeing a lot of, videos, and so I want to try it out for myself. Yeah, so my reasoning for wanting to try Fenty Skin, I've been actually looking for something new, so this really just came out like right on time for me to try something new. I've had the same skin regimen forever, and I know that, in order to see different results, you have to try different things. So I want to try something new, and upon that I found out about Fenty Skin, so I said, hey, let me give that a try, and then we're going to see how it works. So we're going to do the first impressions video, so you guys bear with me. Let me rinse my face. Rihanna's line is very this is very cute packaging. The packaging is very cute and different than what you normally see with other brands, especially with this Hydrovisor. The packaging, it can goes up, go down, can be removed and replaced, just the filler. This is very neat. I really do like this. Very cute, very different, and just everything is pretty much just twist top. Nothing you take off the top or anything like that. So don't forget your net, you guys. And also, this is good for your dark marks, hyperpigmentation. So that's another reason why I've been trying to look for something new. We're gonna just see how this brightens your skin and everything else. Now, Rihanna has stated that she also has sensitive skin, so we're gonna see how this stuff works out. So everything is just twist. Try to make it zoom in. Everything is twist top, open, close, open, close. So that's pretty much how everything is. So I'm gonna take some, place it in my hand. Hold on, open some more. They say a little goes a long way, so I don't want to use too much, but that's the amount that I have in my hand that I want to use. Put in your hands. Ooh. Ooh. I like how this smells. That's the texture of it. That's the texture of it. I like how this smells. Oh. Just need to wet my hands, you guys. Get all in your, don't get in your eyes. But this actually smells very good. It's not strong. That's one of the things that a lot of people were speaking of about the fragrance of it. This smells good. It's not strong, and that's like kind of one thing after buying it, I was like, oh God, should I have bought this and all of that? But I just wanted to try something. You never know until how something works until you try it for yourself. Everybody's gonna be different. So yeah, you guys have to try everything out for yourself. It's always a trial and error with everything, That's the thing about products. Everybody doesn't have the same type of skin. Okay, now that it's all gone off my face, I can say my skin feels very supple. Very supple feeling. You know, it doesn't feel like scritch, 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 like a squeaking on your face or anything. And it doesn't look tight, as you can see. It's very clean. Okay, so the next step, I want to kind of let this ride just a little bit on my face. The next step is the fat water. With this, it has a sticker on top, so we have to peel this off. And it also had a script on the side. I just peeled it off. And let's take that tape off. And here goes another twist and go. Open, close, open, close. Okay, so it's open and we're gonna pour some in our hands. It's like a gel, but like water at the same time. I think I might have put too much in my hands. That's the amount that I got, so might be just enough we're talking about. This smells good too. Like it does, it's not overpowering scent. It's not overpowering at all. I like this. Oh, get it all in there. Oh, my skin just feels so good, y'all. Does have like a little like stick feeling, but nothing like, ooh, it feels real bad. But it does have that like that little feel to it. Trying the Hydrovisor, and this is what I use so far. That's what I'm using. And I'm gonna just rub. Ooh, all these smell good. They are very light smell. It's a very light smell. I like the smell though. You know, you don't want to be smelling like medicated, because you got a lot of product that's out here, especially with people who already have like skin stuff going on, skin problems often. And that's one thing I've always said with a product. I don't want to smell medicated or just have that stink smell that lasts with you all day. This smells very good. Rihanna, you did good with this. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for coming out with something like this. My skin feels so good. Like, it feels so good. But I must say, my skin feels very good and it looks good. It looks real good. Fenty is good. Fenty is real good. I'm looking forward to keep on trying these, and it's gonna be definitely in my skin regimen. My first month after using Fenty, I'm gonna come with the update. But oh my god, like I'm really glad that I'm trying this. Like I'm really looking forward to seeing what it has to offer for me and my skin. It's real good. But as far as my first impressions, this is real good.